What's up, everybody? Johnny Prime here. I've got another unboxing. So you've probably seen me in my videos with this guy on. This was a fully modular ILM helmet, kind of beefy, heavy. I pulled the chin off because I didn't like it, and I started to run it with goggles like an old school 3/4 helmet, you know, one of these guys. The only problem is it's really not made for that, so I don't know if anything has gotten weaker from taking the chin off. And also this is kind of like unsightly and kind of clicky. So I wanted to get something that was open face style, but with a shield in the front, like a full face shield that I can flip up and down. So after scouring Amazon for hours, I found something that looks like it might fit the bill. This is it. It's some no-name brand from China. Looks like it's a different name on this box than what I saw on the website. It's Jaikai. So I don't know. Let's open it and see. It's pretty banged up. This was not shipped with care. It was not packaged in another box. It just came like this, kind of flimsy. I don't even feel like there's any styrofoam in it. So let's see. Yeah, no styrofoam, just this thing. There is a helmet bag. Jaikai, whatever that is. All right, let's open it up. Oh, all right. Not the same color. All right, let's put them side by side here. So you can see this is like a true yellow, and this is more like a high vis highlighter yellow. In the picture it looked legit, like this guy. So that's a shame. Oh. So one of the reasons shit, it's not a sticker either. One of the reasons I looked for hours on Amazon was to find something that didn't have branding or a logo here, because I just think it's stupid. This one has two. It's got one in the front there and one in the back. Yeah, that's it. Visor's cool. These vents are okay. It's a little bit of scuffing here from the package getting beat up. Let's see how it fits. It's not bad. It's a little bit loose. A little bit loose for a small. There should be a visor. Yeah. Okay, that's pulled down. Yeah. I'm not loving this, to be honest. Feels cheap. It's supposed to be DOT, but there's a sticker for DOT on there. Yeah, I mean, anyone could put any sticker that says anything on this. I don't know if this was really DOT certified. Probably not. Yeah, this is going to be a return. Bummer. I can't have this color. It's the wrong color. It's a little bit too big. It's got these logos on it that I can't peel off, that were not on the description in the pictures. So yeah, they flubbed it. I'm gonna have to return this bad boy and try to find something else. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.